Hello student, today we will discuss about process management. So first point is a process. What is mean by process? A process is a program in execution. As the program execute the process, change the state. Process are an activity of some kind. It has the program input, output and state. A single processor may be shared along several processes. The state of a process is identify its current activity. A process is just an executing program including the current value of the program, counter and register and variable. Next point is a process state. There may be situation when two processes may be associated with the same program, but they are considered from two separate execution processes. A process is a program in execution which include the current activity and the state is represented by the program, counter and the contain the processor register. This is the process stack is storage of a temporary data. We have two types of a process state model. First one is the two-state model. Next one is the five-state model. First is the two-state model. This represents a simple model by observe that a process in either beginning execute by the processor or not. It can be two-state running or not running. First is running state. When a new process is created, it enters into the system as the running state. The process is waiting for the operating. A time of a currently running process will be interrupted and the dispatcher of the operating system will be selected a new process to run. One of the process is now in the running state. Next one is a not running state, means process that are not running must be kept in the same queue waiting their turn of execute. Each entry in the queue is a pointer to the particular process. Next one is a five-state model. First one is a new, next one is a running, third one waiting and fourth ready and last one is a terminate. First is new. The new process is created when a specific program's call from secondary memory hard disk to primary memory RAM. Next one is a running. The process is beginning execute. Next one is a waiting. The process is waiting for some event to occur such as an input-output completions. Next one ready. This process should be loaded into the primary memory which is ready for execution, and last one is the terminated. The process has finished execution. This name is the vary from the operating system to operate system. The important thing is only one process can be running in any processor at the any time. Process may be ready and waiting state. First one is the new, means ready. This operating system created a process and prepared the process to be executed. Next one is a ready, means ready to running. When it is a time to select a process to run, the operating system selected one of the job from a ready queue and move the process from ready state. Next one ready to running to terminate. When the execution of a process has been completed, then the operating system terminate that process from running state. Next one is the process control block. Each process is represent operating system. A process control means PCB, also called as a task control block. Next one, the operating system group all information that is need about to particular process into data structure called as a PCB or process descriptor. This is the diagram. First state is a process state. Process state means this specify the process state that is new, ready, running, waiting or terminate. Next one is the process number. This show the number of a particular process. Next one is a program counter, means this contain the address of the next instruction that need to be executed in the process. Next one is a register. This specify the register that are used by the process. They may include index register, stack pointer, general purpose register. And last one is a list of open file, means these are the all file that are associated with this the process.